In this video, I will show how to find position or rank in Microsoft Excel. So we have this sample data. You have to use this formula. Equal sign. Then select total number or obtained numbers. Total marks means what he get the numbers. So firstly type here rank, rank, and select it. Now select this obtain numbers. Now comma. Now select the range, obtain numbers for all students like this. Now you have this scenario. Now here in second H in my case, obtain numbers in H column. It can be different in your case. Enter the dollar sign. Press shift number 4 on keyboard to enter the dollar sign. Again H4, enter dollar sign. So before H, before number, same here, dollar sign. Before H and before number. Now press enter. So this way now you have ranking and position. Just drag and drop to apply this formula, this all. So we can see this is the number 1, this is the number 10, and if we make changes here, so like this is the number 7, so it will change position and rank. Now it's in number 9. Thanks for watching.